Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome back to my channel. How is your day going? Happy New Year. This is a beautiful year that we've come into. Okay, I've uploaded video before, but I've not said Happy New Year to you guys. That is why I'm saying Happy New Year and welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are welcome on board. Thank you for all your support. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you guys how I make this hair cream for my hair, for my children's hair. Okay, in this channel we talk about everything hair styling, hair care, hair growth tips, my natural hair journey, how I, everything hair, for all hair type actually, but we focus mainly on natural hair because I have Fussy natural hair, the thick one, the one that the shrinks are real. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how I made this for my hair care. All right, you can say to grow your hair or to take care of your hair, okay, whatever you want to say about it, but I just did this to take care of my hair, to make sure my hair is healthy. All right, so we'll get into the video proper, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so these are some of the ingredients you'll be using for this video. Here we have star anise, we have rosemary, we have hostel, we have cloves. All right, so we will get this and we are going to blend it because we want all of them. We want to open up, these herbs. We want to open them up. That is why we are going to blend it. You can pound it if you want. All we just want to do is to open it up. At this point, the aroma is everywhere. As when you blend it, the aroma is everywhere in my kitchen. Okay, so when you finish blending, you will transfer this to a clean bowl. Get a clean bowl and transfer it, and we will go ahead to add 1 cup of olive oil. Okay, this is the quantity of the olive oil I'll be adding, and I will go ahead to add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. You guys know castor oil does wonders. Castor oil is one of the oil that has the ability to penetrate into your skin, to penetrate your skin. Okay, when you want to do massage, okay, castor oil, it has been recorded, it has a lot of benefits. Okay, they use it in making so many cosmetics, hair products. All right, so castor oil is one oil you must have at home. With olive oil, you have to have it if you want to take care of your hair. Okay, you can see how I'm just trying to warm it up, all right, with the hot water. Once it starts boiling, as in boiling, okay, I will just off the stove and allow it to cook. All right, so we know we added rosemary to this ingredient, and rosemary is one ingredient I can't do without because it stimulates hair growth. It helps to fight dandruff. It helps to make your hair smell. It smells so good. Okay, and I use it to cook too. And I use it to cook. All right, so if you are to talk about natural hair and you're not using rosemary, you're not using castor oil, I don't know what else you're using. You can use it to make even your hairspray. Okay, I will leave a link to the video in this video too. So when you finished, when it's cooled and all that, you can get something, to sieve it. Okay, but I'm going to use a socks and I will need a help. So somebody's going to help me to do this. Call for help when you need a help. If you don't have somebody to help you, you can just, use your spoon to be transferred. We don't want the particles to pass this socks. Okay, because we're using a socks. Okay, we are going to sieve it. That's just what you're going to do to remove the produce, okay, from the oil. We want to get a clean oil because this is what we'll be using on our hair, and this actually can help you to tame down if you're having gray hair. This hair product can help you to tame it down. I'm not saying it's going to make your gray hair to go, no. Okay, it can help to calm it down so that it will not be that visible. Okay, so this is what we have at the end of the day. We will finish and we will get our shea butter. This shea butter is from It's actually from Aba. If you know Aba in Nigeria, if you know New Market in Aba, Ahiohoro, that is where this shea butter is from. And that is where you get good shea butter from all those people that sell all these natural stuffs. So, and I went ahead to to melt it. And when I melted it, I went ahead to add these two together. Mm. And when you add it together, or you need to, you mix it. Okay, I added the two together and I will go ahead to mix, to combine it together. You can see the color has changed. It's not really, it's like a brownish color. All right, so, and we will go ahead to add some drops of essential oil. And this is our tea tree oil. It will help to fight all those, kids when they go to school, they come back with all those stuffs from school. It will help to fight it so that you don't have hair, all these hair issues. And this is rosemary essential oil. I will go ahead to add some drops of it in there, like 10 drops. And I will go ahead again to add mint essential oil. This I love. In fact, the things I use on this product, on this cream, the cream smells so good. Okay, this is not just shea butter. It has a lot of stuff inside them that will help to stimulate hair growth, that will help to reduce dandruff, that will help to seal your moisture. When you moisturize your hair, okay, this will help to seal it. And I went ahead to get a container, and I will go ahead to transfer this oil. Okay, you can easily, it looks like oil, but it has shea butter. I'll go ahead to transfer it in there. You can see how I'm transferring it. Okay, this will take your hair care routine to another level. All right, and I will advise you to look around your kitchen, look at the things you have. You can use it to make your own hair care products. Okay, you can see the color is quite dark, brownish, darkish. Okay, and I will go ahead now to place it in the fridge. Okay, and here it is all dry, but it's not yet all dry here because I need to use it. I'm running out of time. I need to make my daughter's hair. Okay, I didn't allow it to, to cool as it's supposed to cool, but it is still okay, and it is still perfect for use. Okay, you can see here what it looks like at the end of the day. Okay, I went ahead, just like I said, I use it on my hair, I use it on my children's hair. I will leave a link to for you to watch the video of where I used it on my daughter's hair to show you is actually what I use. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just as thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And take care of your hair. Moisturize your hair. Massage your hair. Massage the scalp. Okay. Moisturize your hair. Drink a lot of water. Take sun and eat healthy. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.